After ng Central Post Office sa Notre Dame Cathedral, punta naman tayo ng Independence Palace. Doon na area papunta yung Independence Palace. So magkakalapit nga lang yung Notre Dame Cathedral, Central Post Office at Independence Palace. So yun na siya sa part na yun. So yan na, makikita na natin yung part ng palace dito. So yan ang Independence Palace. Hanapin ko yung entrance kung nasaan. So dito yata papunta. So waiting for our turn.
Commanded by Lieutenant Puiguan Pan, crashed into the main gate. If you look to your left at the front of the palace, you can see the flagpole of the Vietnam War. Also on the left, you can see two tanks numbered 843 and 390. These are the Minh to bomb Independence Palace on April 8, 1975. Just time, the building that stood on this site was known as Norodom Palace. You are traveling through a garden that covers 12 hectares in the center of Ho Chi Minh City. Many of the trees you see here are the name of the building they constructed here was Norodom Palace. In September 1950, failed assassination attempt against Siem, the palace that you see in the South Vietnamese government. Along the second floor of the building, designed to allow light and air to pass through. There are several. Is the April 30th, right, is the official guest house of Independence Palace. The guest house is located inside the palace grounds and features a large parking area, 45 comfortable guest rooms, a 500-seat meeting room, and dining facilities for banquets and wedding parties. Our staff is experienced and professional. Prior to 1975, this building served. According to South Vietnamese government records, the construction of the new palace cost the equivalent of about $2.3 million.
So dito na ako malapit sa palace ngayon. Ayan yung background niya, yung palace. At yung sa harap ko naman ay yung sa, hindi ko lang pangalan yan eh. Ano yan? Parang ginamit sa war. Tapos ayun yung jet din para sa war din yan. Marami nagpipicture kasi. And pupunta na ako dyan sa palace ngayon. Kasi papasok ako sa loob bago pupunta ng exhibition. Ito ay meeting hall.
Et c'est le même motif ou différent?
So ito daw ay cabinet room. Kita ko dun sa may balcony. Yung way. Vice President Reception Salon daw ito. Presidential reception rooms. Ambassador's Chamber daw ito dito.
Also the most beautiful view in this palace. The picture by the left.
So ito daw ay bedroom. Ayan siya. So another bedroom. Ibang design naman to. So next is yung balcony na. So this is the balcony. Architectural design.
So, and then we go out and see the whole vice president work.
Sa mga offices. Is another. Okay. So, frequency communications ito. So, para siyang radio room. So, telephone room. Sabi niya telex. Next is sa mga telephone room.
In the past, did any families
So, may maliit na bedroom dito.
center the capital site?
President's War Room. So, ito daw ay security room. Sabi niya dito, security. Ito naman ay jeep. So, model ng jeep. Next is, ito yung sinaunang Mercedes. Ito siya. So, ito yung window sa likod ng palace. Lumabas na kasi ako doon. Hindi ko pa kompleto yun. So, yan ko na dito yung aking Central Post Office, Notre Dame, and Independence Palace visit. Kasi medyo short tayo sa time. So may exhibition entry pa ako, hindi ko na lang kinuha. Kasi nga baka maghul ako sa oras. Kailangan ko na talaga ng time pag i-visit mo itong area na ito. So thank you for watching this vlog. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel para lagi kang updated sa aking mga next vlogs. Bye!